retailer faced significant inventory management challenges. Excess inventory led to storage costs and waste, while stockouts resulted in lost sales and customer dissatisfaction. They decided to implement an AI-powered demand forecasting solution. Initially, they faced data quality issues and resistance from their logistics team. However, by investing in data cleansing and providing training to their employees, they overcame these hurdles. The AI system accurately predicted demand, optimized inventory levels, and reduced both storage costs and stockouts. Section 5. AI's superpowers transforming supply chains. AI offers numerous benefits for supply chains. Enhanced decision-making is a key advantage. AI provides real-time insights and predictive analytics, enabling businesses to make informed decisions about inventory, logistics, and pricing. This leads to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction. AI also strengthens risk mitigation by identifying potential disruptions and suggesting alternative strategies. This ability to anticipate and adapt to unforeseen circumstances gives businesses a significant competitive advantage. By optimizing operations, reducing waste, and improving customer service, AI empowers businesses to stay ahead in today's dynamic market. Section 6. Embracing the future AI-powered supply chains. While challenges exist, the transformative potential of AI in supply chain management is undeniable. By addressing data quality, talent acquisition, integration, ethical concerns, and resistance to change, businesses can unlock the full potential of AI. The benefits, including improved decision-making, increased efficiency, enhanced risk mitigation, and a stronger competitive edge, far outweigh the challenges. Embracing AI is no longer optional. It's essential for businesses to thrive in the future of supply chain management. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications that will further revolutionize the way goods move around the world.